So I'm going to treat myself to a lovely, velvety, creamy chicken and celery soup. You guys be glued. Let's have a bit of olive oil. Just a bit of the butter though in this one, not too much. Now with some garlic. Let the garlic flavor all come out. In the meanwhile, I've chopped some chunks of chicken. They also go in. Some nicely diced celery into this. Here we go. Up the heat so that the chicken slightly gets seared on the sides. With the chicken now in, you can use a lot of herbs. Basil if you've got marjoram, if you've got sage, whatever you prefer. The chicken is searing. Got some chili flakes just to spike it up a bit. The moment chicken starts cooking, you will see that it leaves the bone. Next, just a bit of flour. It coats the chicken as well. Also, it helps to thicken your cream soup. See, the moment I put flour, all the moisture in the chicken has just evaporated or is absorbed by the flour, and the chicken stock, that's a clear chicken stock that I had made, now goes in. So simple, but keep it simple and you'll be able to enjoy it to the fullest. So stock in there now, goes in some milk. So we're making a nice creamy chicken soup. So some bread into this. Let's leave it to cook nicely. And you can just see the moment I have added bread to this, it's already started thickening quite well. Let's add a bit of salt and my favorite ingredient, freshly ground pepper into this. So now let me take the chicken pieces out of this. So the soup here is ready. So just a bit of cream into it. Cream always should be added at the last minute. If you overcook the cream or boil it too much, it can curdle your soup. There might be bits that you can see in the soup. So once you add the cream, you should not vigorously boil any soup or any gravies or any sauce that you're making. Blend this now. Then let's strain it once again. Chicken soup almost there, ready for you. Now that the chicken is cooked, take it off the bone, making sure that none of the cartilage or the bone bits are inside. Finely chopped celery here, that goes on the base along with the bits of the chicken, a lot of them, and the soup. Mix it through. Just pour it. There it goes. So cream on top. Julienne some tomatoes. So just place them randomly. And the pepper. Some nicely chopped basil and parsley on the top. Chicken and celery soup is absolutely ready. Why don't you go ahead and make one for yourself?